I ran away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Upper Glams and I'm back with another hair tutorial for you guys. So today we'll be doing flat twist, but before we start all of that, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Click on the notification bell so you get notified when I make a post here on YouTube. And in case you are not following me on Instagram, it's also at Upper Glams. I make more posts there on Instagram.
Wasn't looking for a lover.
So flat twist is a great protective style. It is beautiful, it is classy, it is elegant, it is gorgeous. It is gorgeous, a gorgeous protective style. So if I am to choose between cornrow and flat twist, I'll definitely pick flat twist. So I don't know how to explain to you guys how to walk your fingers while you're flat twisting your hair, but what I can do for you, as I did in this video, is to zoom into me flat twisting my client's hair. So if you really want to learn how to flat twist, I suggest you download the video, you play, you pause to see how my fingers are going, you pause again to see how my finger. You know what, I can't honestly explain to you what I'm doing with my fingers with flat twisting, but yeah, I'm sure the video is self-explanatory. So flat twist can be done on damp hair, can even be done on wet hair or dry hair. It all depends on what you're going for. It all depends on how you want it to be at the end of the day. It doesn't really matter. The most important thing is, especially when you're working on clients, is just for you to ask them, how do you want your flat twist? Do you want it wet? Do you want it damp? Or do you want it on dry hair? And yes, they're definitely going to communicate that information to you. So usually when I do flat twist, it all depends. The one I did on myself was done on slightly stretched hair, and our hair also was, my client's hair was also stretched out. And I also want to add, guys, that you can see that I am braiding the ends of the flat twist before twisting it again. The reason why I am doing that is because I want the hair to last longer for her, especially when you're doing flat twist. Let me tell you something, guys. So flat twist is a beautiful style, yeah, but it's a style that doesn't last as long as when you do cornrows on your hair. So it is best that if you want it to last longer, you can do this technique. It is advisable to do this technique if you want it to last longer for you. It doesn't really matter if you don't want it to last longer, just go ahead and flat twist from the beginning to the end. But I'm doing this for her because I want it to last longer for her. My love couldn't be just anyone, but baby, it had to be you. So one more thing, guys, I just want to quickly add that the reason why I am not adding any products to the hair while I am flat twisting the hair, you will get to see that at the end of the video. I'm going to explain that at the end of the video, so just watch to the end of the video and I will explain to you guys why I am not adding any product while I am doing the flat twisting or the 2-strand twist at the end. Wasn't looking for a lover. Nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So then you and you, but I so you and I'm not surprised by what I found, because I know I needed something different and it had to be you. Out the blue,
started building trust and my fragile heart started to mend. Yeah, I should have paid attention. You would have been the obvious choice, but I needed time to see clearly, dig deep and cut through the noise. So then you came around and you made it, but I shut it down. So you took your time and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. You. I ran away from heartbreak, got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover, nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So then you came around and you made it, but I shut it down. So you took your time and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. I didn't seem to notice that you were checking for me. We were just friends, but we started building trust and my fragile heart started to mend. Yeah, I should have paid attention. You would have been the obvious choice, but I needed time to see clearly, dig deep and cut through the noise. So then you came around and you made it, but I shut it down. So you took your time and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. You. I ran away from heartbreak, got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover, Nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So then you came around and you played it cool, but I shut it down. So you took it to and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who listened and it had to be you. Out of all the people to reply my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. I didn't seem to notice that you were checking for me. We were just friends, but we started building trust and my fragile heart started to mend. Yeah, I should have paid attention. You would have been the obvious choice, but I needed time to see clearly, dig deep and cut through the noise. So then you came around and you played it cool, but I shut it down. So you took it to and I opened up. I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who listened and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. You. I ran away from heartbreak, got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover, nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So then you came around and you played it cool, but I shut it down. So you took it to and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who listened and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. I didn't seem to notice that you were checking for me. We were just friends, but we started building trust and my fragile heart started to mend. Yeah, I should have paid attention. You would have been the obvious choice, but I needed time to see clearly, dig deep and cut through the noise. So then you came around and you played it cool, but I shut it down. So you took it to and I opened up. away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover. Nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So I then you and you, but I so you and I'm not surprised by what I found, because I know I needed something different and it had to be you.
So guys, this is the reason why I did not add any product to the hair while I was doing the flat twisting, because I know that I'll be adding hair mousse to the hair. So it's either you add hair mousse while you're flat twisting, or you can simply do it at the end when you're done. Just apply the hair mousse and let it sit and dry on the hair, and that's it. So you don't need to put so much product. You can use a styling pudding or you use the hair mousse. So what I'm basically doing now is styling. This is the fun part of this style. After the flat twisting, I am adding a vavavoom effect. It's been long I used that word vavavoom. So I am adding extra spice to the flat twist to make it look extra. Okay, so that's what I'm just doing. And I just want to apologize that in some of the styling it wasn't so clear. I'm so sorry. It is very hard for me to record my clients while I am working on them, especially when I'm recording with my phone. So most times when I work on my clients, I always in fact all the time I work on my clients, I record with my phone. I don't know how to blur the background with my phone. I'm still learning that. I'm trying to, but it's not working. That is why you can get to see all the extra on the screen that is not necessary. But yeah. So we're almost at the end of the video, and I hope that this tutorial was very beneficial to you, and if so, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I make a post here on YouTube. You can also like this video. Drop a comment in the comment section down below. You know I always love it when you guys comment in my videos. And also you can share this video with your friends and families, everybody that you know. And yes, until my next video. Bye guys.
Where I've been, I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So I